Meaning of excoriation.
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 Excoriation. Excoriation refers to the act of scraping or wearing away the skin, typically as a result of scratching or rubbing. This can lead to visible damage to the skin surface and may cause pain, inflammation, or infection. Excoriation may also refer to the act of severe criticism or condemnation, particularly in a public setting. In this case, the result can be emotional distress, humiliation, or damaged reputation. Whether referring to physical or emotional harm, excoriation can cause significant negative effects on one's well-being.